Real dream is the other shore of reality. For decades, dream makes us be more powerful and stronger. Zhejiang Standard Hvac Technology Company Limited, located in city of Valve in China, Longxi Valve Industrial District, Yuhuan County. The area of buildings is 9,800 square meters, with more than 150 employees. STA has diversified manufacture technology and core technology property rights. STA is specialized in 4 series: valve, HVAC, fittings, and bibcock with brass. We have advanced producing line with imported CNC, machine center forge, and press equipment professional machine from Taiwan, automatic assemble line. Our annual capacity is about 300 million, and our products are selling to many countries and areas. STA blazed new trails in the area of valve and manifold manufacture actively, using international standard, and making big development in these years. Relying on reliable quality products and constant innovation in technology, STA have many stable customers. For years, STA has kept a good tendency of development and introduced advanced technology and equipments. We also pay attention to management, and we get many certifications, such as ISO 9001, CE, KS in Korea, and ACS in France. We are not satisfied with these achievements and keep pursuing the aim of credit standing, quality and service our life, and making every effort to each customer. Our achievements we get today just showed the past. STA pursues more new splendid accomplishments.